Hi everyone, it's Aya here, and in today's video I'll be sharing 3 ways to create watermelon themed cards. I will also discuss why watermelons symbolize freedom and resistance for Palestine. Before you react, I urge you to consider reading about the ethnic cleansing of Palestinians by an Israeli writer named Eliane Papey. The Palestinian watermelon campaign gained traction following the Six-Day War in 1967, during which Israel battled against the United Arab Nations, including Egypt, Syria, and Jordan. After the war, Israel seized control of West Bank, Gaza Strip, and East Jerusalem. Israel authorities enacted laws criminalizing the display of the Palestinian flag in public, aiming to suppress Palestinian and Arab nationalism. In response, the Palestinian community adopted watermelon as a symbol of resistance against Israel, interrogating it into various forms of expression, such as art, clothing. In 1980, Israel soldiered closed 79 galleries displaying works by an artist Suleiman Mansour, Isam Badr, and Nabil Anani, considering their work political and containing colors of the Palestinian flag. Even art pieces featuring watermelon were confiscated, highlighting Israel's fear of the nationalist spirit and resistance continually voiced by the Palestinian people. Following the Oslo Accords in 1993, which aimed to reconcile Palestine and Israel, the ban on using the Palestinian flag was lifted. The agreement was signed by Yasser Arafat, the chairman of the Palestine Liberation Organization, Yitzhak Rabin, the prime minister of Israel, and witnessed by Bill Clinton, the president of the United States. However, in 1996, this agreement was frequently violated by Israel to obstruct Palestinian independence. The watermelon consists of red flesh, black seeds, and white and green rind, representing the colors of the Palestinian flag. Additionally, watermelon are a stable crop in Palestine, thriving from Jenin to Gaza. Watermelon have numerous seeds. When the fruit is crushed, many seeds fall to the ground, giving rise to the new watermelons. This analogy reflects the resilience of the Palestinian people. Despite years of oppression and destruction, they remain strong-willed and resilient. In 2021, Israel banned the sale of watermelon in several occupied territories, considering the watermelon symbol as Palestinian provocation and propaganda. Israel confiscated and discarded watermelons cut into triangles and arrested Palestinians using the watermelon symbol. 20 years after the flag ban was lifted in January 2023, Itamar Ben Gvir, the right-wing national security minister of Israel, banned the use of the Palestinian flag in public places and instructed the police to confiscate the flags. Today marks the 180th day of the genocide. The Israel occupation army continue its bombardment. The number of casualties has risen to 34,000 and number of injuries has risen to 76,000 since October 7. And no, history did not start on October 7. Peace and free Palestine.